this song isn't available in your country on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this tutorial, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix this song isn't available in your country on Instagram. Now, if you're wondering, if you're trying to add a song to your Instagram story, or that you're trying to use it to make a reel or whatever, and it shows you an indication that this particular music or song isn't available in your country. Now, this is one of the most common issue that most of the Instagram users are facing these days. In order to fix it, what you could do is, first of all, analyze your internet connection and upgrading the Instagram app itself as well. In order to upgrade, you want to go to the Play Store if you're using an Android device, whereas if you're using an iOS, you want to go to the App Store and then you could upload or update the application. So here I'm using an Android, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Play Store. On the search box, type in Instagram and check whether you need to update or not. Since I have to update, so I'll have to wait patiently. Now, this method should be able to fix the issue. Likewise, if this does not fix it, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as reinstalling it completely. And in some circumstances, the song may be unavailable due to regional licensing limitations, and for this, you could use a VPN, a virtual private network. So basically this basically some of the music and some of the content isn't available to different part of the country or to the certain reasons. So this might be another reason, or this might be the major issue why you're unable to use the particular music to your content. So there is no other way to fix it apart from using a VPN, and sometimes you might be able to successfully use the particular music through the VPN, and sometimes it might not be able to work it out. So you just have to wait patiently until the particular music or particular content is available in your country or your region. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.